Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, open Shopify and go to your store dashboard. Click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your domain name. Next, open GoDaddy and go to My Domains. Click Manage DNS to access your domain settings. Here, you need to add two records, a CNAME record and an A record. To add the CNAME record, click Add New Record, choose Scene as the type, enter www as the name, and set the value to shops.myshopify.com. Leave TTL on default and click Save. Now add an A record. Click Add New Record, select A as the type, enter @ for the name, and paste Shopify's provided IP address in the value field. Click Save. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check if your domain is correctly linked. This process usually completes instantly, but it may take a few hours. Once verified, set your domain as the primary domain. Click on your domain name, change the domain type to primary, and confirm. Now, when you enter your domain in a browser, it redirects to your Shopify store. So that's basically how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.